I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today, I'm here to talk to you about an exciting new product we're launching, which is a side molding kit for the 2013 to 2018 Nissan Altima. Precision part number is WSKF 3621. Now, these have been made to be direct OEM replacements and have been field tested to ensure proper fitment. Some of the features are proper radius bend to match the radius of the glass. This ensures the PVC strip has full contact with the glass. Also, correct size molded clip retainers to ensure a tight fit to the mating clips. These will complement our other parts for this application, which is a WFTF 3621. Remember to ask for the WSKF 3621 from your favorite auto glass distributor.